Good day to all. This is Amirthalingam Madhu. Today's topic is why Vastu plan is most important for house construction. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Let's move on to the topic. Why Vastu plan is most important. One of my Vastu client called me on 16/7/2020. He is working in the Indian Army. He was started a construction in 2016 with the guidance of Mason, not a professional Vastu consultant. What happened? The plot measurement is 11 feet 6 inch width, west side and east side. North side is 90 feet. South side is 90 feet. This is his plot dimension. If you would have asked me before construction, I would recommend not to construct house in this plot because width is not sufficient. We cannot plan for septic tank. That is the reason I would have rejected this plot. But what happened? He started his construction with guidance of Mason. He is unable to construct his house. Still, he is not able to complete his house. Almost 4 years is completed. I saw his drawing. There are 5 major Vastu defects in his house. What are all the 5 major Vastu defects? Point number 1. North is a common wall. There is no space in north side because his plot is very small, 11.6 feet. Point number 2, southeast having a septic tank. Point number 3, southeast toilet and bathroom. Point number 4, west side there are 16 feet portico. There is a big portico. Point number 5, southwest single staircase, not foldable, entering in the southwest corner, which is also non-compliance of Vastu rules. So my suggestion is, before starting the construction or before buying the plot itself, better to take guidance from Vastu consultant to avoid such mistakes, because this is the major impact. Now he cannot complete the house. He is facing a lot of issues because of the Vastu defects. Why west facing house people are making lot of common mistakes? What is the reason? Because west facing house, fundamentally we have to leave less space at west side, leave more space at east side. This is the common issue in a west facing house. So we should be very careful when we construct a west facing house to avoid such mistakes. What are all the common mistakes happen in a west facing house? Point number 1, main door in negative side, southwest west side. Point number 2, septic tank in either southwest west or southeast. Point number 3, portico in west side. Point number 4, toilet in the southeast corner. Point number 5, kitchen at northeast corner. These are all the common mistakes people are making in the west facing house. That is the reason people are facing a lot of issues when they are not following the Vastu rules. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.